Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we dig deep into the best products out there so you can shop smarter and get more joy from what you buy. Now, tell me if this sounds familiar. You've always dreamed of owning a gorgeous grand piano, that deep, warm sound, the elegant look, and that magical feeling of your fingers gliding over real weighted keys. But then reality kicks in. Grand pianos cost as much as a small car, they weigh a ton, and honestly, most of us just don't have the space or budget. That's why today's video is so exciting. I've spent weeks exploring Yamaha's newest digital pianos for 2025, playing them, testing different styles, connecting them to apps, and really seeing how they fit into real life. So today, I'm not just listing specs, I'm sharing my actual experience with the top 3 Yamaha digital pianos of 2025 that can bring that soulful, authentic piano feel right into your living room, even if you're short on space or on a budget. And trust me, each of these models shines in its own way. Depending on what kind of player you are, total beginner, casual player, or someone serious about expression and tone, one of these could be your perfect match. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's jump in. Number 3. Yamaha 88-key digital piano with weighted keys and sound boost, model P143B. Let's kick things off with the Yamaha P143B, and don't let third place fool you, this one really surprised me. First impressions, it's shockingly slim and lightweight for a fully weighted piano. I could move it from the living room to the bedroom without breaking a sweat. Perfect if you live in a small apartment, a dorm, or just want to tuck it away when guests come over. The keys feel solid and authentic. Yamaha's fully weighted action means every key press gives you that satisfying resistance, so your hands get trained properly, great for beginners or anyone practicing classical or jazz. But here's where it blew me away, the sound boost feature. Hit that button and suddenly your playing sounds richer, louder, and more grand without external speakers. It fills the room beautifully, especially if you live somewhere with thin walls and can't crank the volume up too high. There's also something magical about the 10 unique voices sampled from real Yamaha grand pianos. Put on headphones, and you can actually hear subtle resonances and harmonics you'd expect only on a real acoustic piano. One of my personal favorite touches, the one-button control. Instead of diving through menus, you can keep your mind on your music, not on settings. And if you do want to geek out, just pair it with the Yamaha app to unlock more functions and customization. For someone who wants an affordable, elegant digital piano that feels real and doesn't take over the whole living room, the P143B is seriously impressive. Number 2. Yamaha P225B 88-key weighted action digital piano. Alright, moving up to number 2, the Yamaha P225B, and this is where Yamaha's design and technology really step up. When I first sat down with it, what hit me immediately was the GHC, Graded Hammer Compact Keyboard. This isn't just marketing talk. The lower keys genuinely feel heavier and the higher ones lighter, just like an acoustic grand. That small detail completely changes your playing dynamics, especially for classical pieces or expressive ballads. But what really made me pause and just listen, the CFX Premium Grand Piano voice. It's not just louder, it's richer, deeper, and when you play big chords, the resonance feels almost alive. The virtual resonance modeling is genius. Depending on how hard or soft you play, the harmonics and overtones shift. It feels less like a digital instrument and more like a living, breathing piano. I also love the half-damper pedal support. Instead of simple on-off sustain, you can half-pedal, adding subtle decay and resonance, which is perfect for jazz or romantic-era classical pieces. And yes, Yamaha's Smart Pianist app makes your life easier. change voices, adjust effects, save settings, and even record your practice sessions. For intermediate to advanced players or beginners who want something to grow into, the P225B delivers a stunning grand piano-like feel in a portable, modern package. Number 1. Yamaha 88-key weighted portable digital piano keyboard, model P45B. Finally, my top pick, the Yamaha P45B. And yes, it's a bestseller for a reason. I've played this model the most, and what keeps me coming back is how balanced it is. Price, feel, sound, and features all come together beautifully. You get 88 fully weighted keys with Yamaha's GHS, graded hammer standard. It feels heavier in the bass and lighter in the treble, which means whether you're playing delicate melodies or powerful chords, it always feels comfortable and authentic. One standout for me is the dual mode. Layer 2 voices, like piano plus strings, and you instantly get this cinematic, emotional sound that makes even a simple piece sound full and rich. It comes with 10 built-in voices, all carefully sampled from real Yamaha acoustics, so you always get that warm, organic piano tone, not that plastic digital sound some keyboards have. And something beginners love, it comes bundled with everything you need: power adapter, sustain pedal, and music rest, so you're literally ready to play out of the box. Plus, it keeps things simple. The interface isn't covered in flashing buttons, so you can stay focused on your playing, not on menus. If you're a beginner, hobbyist, or even an experienced player wanting a reliable practice piano that feels real and sounds beautiful, the P45B is hard to beat. And there you have it, my personal top 3 Yamaha digital pianos of 2025, tested, played, and loved right here in consumer heaven. I hope this helped you figure out which piano might fit your space, your playing style, and your budget. If you want to check prices or read more reviews, all the Amazon links are in the description. If you found this useful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more honest product reviews and buying guides, and drop a comment. Which of these pianos are you leaning toward, or do you already own one? Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep playing, keep exploring, and stay inspired.